One of the cases that we see involves mild traumatic brain injury or closed head injury. These cases can be challenging. Fortunately, I've had a lot of success with these types of cases, and the difficulty often comes in trying to prove that the injury actually exists, because many times the diagnostic imaging will be normal. You'll see a normal MRI or a normal CT scan. But if you talk to the doctors that treat this type of injury, they will say that that's actually common. The challenge is to persuade a jury or an insurance adjuster that even though the imaging or the tests are negative, that the person is still suffering from the injury. One of the ways that I've been able to demonstrate it is actually by using models of the brain itself, either at a mediation or an arbitration or a jury trial. And this is an example of one of those models. And if you take the brain out, you'll see how soft and spongy it is, and actually how vulnerable and susceptible it is to trauma. Another fact that I've been able to communicate is that inside the skull itself, you'll find sharp edges and bumps. When the person experienced trauma, many times the damage that is done is when the brain rubs up and over these sharp edges after the initial impact. And so the model that I've used has helped me communicate to jurors or insurance adjusters just how this type of injury occurs and then affects the person's life.